Okay, for 789, they want us to practice on our roots. So a is the cube root of 64 of negative 64. So they're asking us what times itself 3 times is going to equal negative 64. So if you want, you can make it positive if that makes it easier. So for these, you should start to learn these, but I would just recommend that you start with low numbers and you move up. So if I take 2 times itself 3 times, that's 2, 4, 8. If I take 3, that's 3, 9, 27. If I take 4, that's 4, 16, 64. So a is negative 4 is the cubed root of 64. For the second one, we need something multiplied by itself 5 times to give us 32. Clearly, it's a small number. If I try 2, right, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So the fifth root of 32 is 2, so a was negative 4. So for C, again, what times itself 3 times is negative 8, so you can try it with positive first, right? So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so this one comes out to negative 2. The cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. And the last one is an easy one, right? Because it's all zeros after the 1, so we know it's going to be something straightforward. So it's what times itself 4 times is 10,000. So clearly 10 times 10 is 100, right? So 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 again is 1,000 times 10 again is 10,000. And there's 4 zeros, so that made it even easier, right? So the fourth root of 10,000 in that case is 10.